Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, welcome back to the channel we call Shadow B-A-N Brand. The channel where you go, holy hell, where did he go wrong, man? I did a lot of things on this channel that aren't so cool on YouTube no more, bro. So anyway, if you guys want a thumbs up, comment down below, help out, that'd be awesome, man. So quite the day today, boys. Just gonna get us into the video real quick. Woke up, had a little bit of, what are you allowed to say? The medicine of gods. Sat down at my computer with a cup of coffee. Damn it. That's why this video gonna be a little chill. Anyway, sat down at my computer because like I'm part of the Bored Ape Yacht Club thing. If you guys have heard of NFTs, we got a free mint today, which means we got a free NFT. Then I sold some. Took some profits of about 3,000 Canadian. One thing, and I don't know if you guys have watched the channel for this long, this is really good actually. Every year, for the past two I guess, I bought myself a really cool ring. I love rings, I've always been into them. It's kind of treating myself. I don't know what happens when like hopefully I don't do this too long because it's kind of a ridiculous tradition, but like I like a new ring every year, boys. We just got some money, so I thought we'd go shopping online. We haven't done this in a while, and pick me up maybe the most expensive ring I've ever bought. Well, besides my girl's engagement ring, that was hefty, but this one was like 2 grand or something. This one I think like 1,200 or something like that. Anyway, we're gonna hop online. We're gonna do trax NYC today, boys. I think this isn't sponsored. I think they are better prices than Icebox. I respect them a little more, and I think trax NYC in the title still could do well for views. That's what it is. I'm stoked, bro. Let's do this. This is like the best time of year. It's so lame. Alright, boys. Trax NYC. It's been a minute. I like doing these. I really want your opinions too, guys. You know what I mean? On what to get. Closed? Oh, that's their... Dude, I'm stupid. I gotta chill. I saw the closed sign. That's their store. Where's their website, bro? Right here. I'm looking for like a yellow diamond ring, really, so we can match with this. A f***ing pop-up. Sup? Stay on track, Brad. No, now I'm wasting people's time. Okay, I'm gonna chill. Close chat. My bad. How do I close the chat? This website's a little f***ed up. Alright, I'm gonna get on to the jeweler. Let's, the rings real quick. Alright, boys, so we got the rings up. I did a filter of like $1,000 to $2,500. I'd rather not spend upwards of $2,500. Here's the thing with trax, in my opinion, as we start scrolling here, boys. Maybe not as a whole, but what I've seen on the fucking website. Sorry, can't be swearing. I gotta chill again. Most of these styles are weird, man. Like, it just looks like it's like the last of the stock. Now, I don't want, this is no shots, because trax NYC, the owner of that, he's you don't want to really mess with that guy. Yeah, that's gross. It's just a bad style. That's a weird hand, too. But I think, and I remember before, as we go up in this, we're gonna start seeing more. I don't want black diamonds, bro. Everyone's gonna think they're fake. Ew, that's just bad. Okay, let's keep going. Like, no, I'm just not vibing with anything, and I really hope we can find something, bro. Also, just chill. I love this series just to chill with you guys. It's been a long time where I don't gotta act out too much. See this one right here? This is really sick. Would I spend... Is it my ring for the year? And I'm looking at the top right and top left, to be honest. Is it my ring for the year? No. We really want to go balls deep in this. I don't think you could say that at all on YouTube. My bad. It's just, it's lameness right now. Damn! Let's go! This might even just be, this might be a blessing in disguise, boys. I don't think I'm finding anything different. So how much is this? 2,500 Canadian. Quick story, I used to actually unbox jewelry a little bit, damn, like 10 years ago. And I had this ring, bro. This is it, bro. I'm adding this to cart right now. I already have things in my cart. I didn't clear my browser history. That's sketchy. Anyway, this right here, boys. I had a ring that looked exactly like that. It was a pyramid ring, fake gold, never had the diamonds. I think this is a level up. What's this? 0.3 carats. It's kind of... Hello, dear customer. I don't want help, bro. Oh, it's probably the one I said sup to. My bad, bro. I wasted your time. Close the chat. Guys, 14 karat gold. We're adding it to cart. Whoa, what's that say? VZY. That's kind of cool. I don't know what that means, but I'd actually get one of those diamond BRA for brand, because I guess it's 3 letters. That would spell bra. It's cool lettering is what I'm saying, boys. I think I just made up my mind. That's this one's kind of sick right here. Although, I guarantee you, yeah, see, it doesn't shoot all the way around. I'm not into that, because sometimes it slides to the side of your finger, and it just like, I don't know, it pisses off somebody with OCDs. That's a fact. See, these square things, ugly. Boys, we're scrolling past now. I found my ring, and everything else is 2,100 now. That's American, so that's too much Canadian. I found the ring. What a stupid video. But I wanted to bring you, oh, I gotta stop screen recording before I forget. I wanted to bring you all along with me. I'm gonna make sure I get that ordered today, man. That was quick. What a statement piece, bro. That's like, I have that ring. That's like, I came a little ways. Now, do I get it for the pinky or do I get it for this finger? Things to the side. Appreciate you for watching. I can't wait to do this unboxing, man. Love you guys. Bye. Was my pants down that whole time? I just hiked them up quite a bit to be, I'm not comfortable with that. There's a lot of proof watching. Peace, boys.